And then right here is your office. And like we talked about, if you're doing a late check-in, they will put your information up here, and then you can come in and check in the morning. But some of the, I'm telling you, I just can't say enough about the lady that works in here. And it was so funny. We go to check in today and pay our what's left after we had paid our deposit. And there were other people, and they're like, oh, no, go ahead and wait on them. She goes, oh, no, I got tea. I got to talk to them. She had to tell us some stuff to put on our one of our videos, some information she had found out. So listen, I've been trying to get some sponsors. On our earlier video, it was Dawn. Right now, I could really, my husband, Disney husband, would really appreciate a sponsorship from Diet Coke. It would save him some money.
No, if you, 192. And this is just an easier way to get in with a long camera.
And this